If you run AI demo servers, model inference tooling, or developer databases, check exposure now. Today's lead issues are CVE-2026-63767 in Transformers and CVE-2026-63766 in GPT-SoVITS. Both are rated critical by NVD with CVSS 9.8 under CVSS version 3.1. The practical risk is not theoretical. Exposed AI services can become remote command execution paths. Patch, remove public access, and review logs before assuming a lab tool is safe. First, Transformers. NVD says Transformers through 0.6.3 has an unauthenticated pickle deserialization vulnerability in the SchedulerServer ZMQ API, fixed in commit def 0f93. A remote attacker who can reach that scheduler service could send crafted serialized data and execute arbitrary commands. This briefing will not include payloads, exploit commands, or attack chains. For defenders, the key point is simple: a scheduler that accepts untrusted serialized objects is a high-risk boundary, especially when it sits near GPUs, model files, cached prompts, datasets, and cloud credentials. What should teams do now? Upgrade to a version that includes the upstream fix or apply the referenced commit guidance from the project. Block network access to SchedulerServer from untrusted networks. Use private routing, firewall rules, security groups, or container network policies so only expected workers can connect. If you ran Transformers in a shared lab, notebook environment, or internet-reachable host, rotate tokens and credentials that were available to that process. Review shell history, process launch logs, container events, package changes, and outbound connections for unexpected activity. Second, GPT-SoVITS. NVD describes CVE-2026-63766 as command injection in GPT-SoVITS through 202506066v2 Pro. The issue is in WebUI.py, where ASR, slicing, denoise, and UVR5 functions interpolate unsanitized Gradio text box values directly into shell commands executed with shell equals true. Again, no exploit details here. The defensive takeaway is that AI web demos are still web applications. If text boxes can reach a shell, the interface must not be exposed to strangers, and it needs strict input handling plus a fixed release. For GPT-SoVITS, update when a fixed build is available from the project. Until then, do not publish the Gradio interface to the open internet. Put it behind a VPN or trusted access proxy, run it with a low-privilege account, isolate model workspaces, and keep secrets out of the runtime environment. If the service was reachable by other users, review uploaded files, generated outputs, subprocess logs, and any unusual commands launched by the WebUI process. 2 SurrealDB issues are also worth tracking. CVE-2026-63766 is a critical HTTP RPC session race condition before version 3.1.0, where unauthenticated requests may inherit authenticated session state. CVE-2026-63765, fixed before 3.2.0, involves custom API route namespace and database scope validation. If SurrealDB backs AI agents, product telemetry, or internal tools, update promptly and audit custom routes and RPC exposure. The broader pattern is the same across these CVEs. AI infrastructure often starts as a trusted local experiment, then quietly becomes production infrastructure. Treat schedulers, Gradio demos, RPC endpoints, vector stores, and databases as security boundaries. Inventory them, patch them, restrict the network path, remove unnecessary secrets, and preserve enough logs to answer who connected, what changed, and when. Official advisory links are in the description.